Love is pouring out everywhere. It literally surrounds us. In frequency, would become the word love. Can you feel it? Everything has to be made from love. It surrounds us. You can dissolve into it. God would equal love. The only reason that you can't feel God or love is simply because you're not feeling it. Because it's all around you. Why don't you know about love? This is so simple to me that I would never, ever think about even explaining something so fragile. How do you get to know the dog? Not because my dog does this and that. You will see the dog when you see the dog and what it does. Without a master, The dog does what it wants. It does not think about what it's going to do. It's running on mere instinct. Why no one's told you about love? Because they don't know about it. Some only know at certain moments in their life. Which even that's a blessing. But what they don't notice is that it's around all the time. There need not be a special occasion. Regardless, the reason that you don't know about love is because people aren't aware. It can't be explained. But I just explained it. I talk slow because it means I would talk even slower if this wasn't for other people I'm actually speeding it up. There's nothing you need to take note for. Nothing you need to write down. You can just do this one thing. Mentally, you can write this down. Where am I? And then ask, where am I? You've never heard about this love because people have never been aware. awareness, feeling and expressing love, more so a feeling, when you tap into this, it's like you're going in God's peripheral. You become Him in these moments. Your ego is separated. It's also part of the game. And just know, why is that love all around you when you can tap into it any moment? I can tell you something right off the rip. Right off the rip. And it's been this way since the beginning. Before the dinosaurs. And it's just this. That feeling that they call enlightenment, God, it's right there. It's who you are. And I say this with all my heart. Nothing feels better. Whatever thoughts you have feels, and this is beyond thought, better than the feeling, the sheer intensity of God. God is a living being. But He has some games for you to play. This ain't a meditation. This is the answer.